Well done to them. Now, the weather forecast with Gillian.
Hi Graham, we've had lots of cloud around today and it stays that way through this evening and overnight. We'll see some spells of patchy rain working their way eastwards. By morning, many parts will become dry. Still quite a lot of cloud, some mist and some drizzle in places. A few clearer breaks developing for central Scotland and for Shetland. Temperatures 10 to 12 Celsius for most of us, mainly light winds. Now tomorrow we have an area of low pressure approaching that will bring some heavier, more persistent rain. So we start with lots of cloud, patchy drizzle, some mist and murkiness in places. And then you can see we have spells of rain moving into western, southern parts of central Scotland. Some of that turning heavy. Best of the fairly limited brightness tomorrow will be over the Northern Isles. And we head into Tuesday. It's a day of sunshine and showers for the most part, though some more persistent rain affecting the far north. Otherwise, sunny spells, scattered showers, quite brisk westerly breezes. That's the forecast. Graham.
Gillian, thank you for that.
Hello, good evening to you. We've had lots of cloud around today, just a few brighter breaks. Wee bit of blue sky appearing over Blairgowrie a little earlier. Through this evening, we'll hang on to lots of cloud and we'll see some patchy outbreaks of rain working their way eastwards across the country. By morning, many parts will become dry. We'll see a few clearer breaks developing for central Scotland, but generally lots of cloud, some drizzle, some mist and murkiness for the coasts and hills, and temperatures 10 to 12 Celsius for most, a wee bit cooler and clearer for Shetland, with a northerly breeze. Now into tomorrow, and we have an area of low pressure approaching that will bring some outbreaks of rain. So to start with, lots of cloud, some of that mist and low cloud, and some drizzle during the morning. And then we'll see outbreaks of rain moving into western, central and southern Scotland. Some of that turning heavy later in the day, especially over western upslopes. Generally lots of cloud, but for the Northern Isles, that's where we'll see the best of the sunshine, though temperatures only about 14 Celsius. Generally mid to high teens, and winds light for many, a wee bit brisker along the west coast as that rain moves in. Now we head into Tuesday and you can see we have low pressure still in charge, and it will be a day of sunshine and showers. Still some more persistent frontal rain affecting the far north. Otherwise patchy cloud, sunny spells, a scattering of showers, a few of which could be on the heavy side, and quite brisk winds. And through the week it's remaining pretty unsettled with showers at times and some longer spells of rain. That's the forecast.
Now, Gillian has a weather forecast.
Thanks, Graham. Good evening to you. Lots of cloud out there this evening. Some bits and pieces of patchy rain working their way eastwards. Perhaps a few clearer breaks developing towards morning for parts of central Scotland. Shetland seeing some clear spells as well. And temperatures 10 to 12 Celsius for most of us. Perhaps some mist and murkiness affecting some coasts and hills. Now, tomorrow we have an area of low pressure moving in that will bring outbreaks of rain. Not much sign of it to start with. It's largely dry but cloudy, with some mist and some drizzle. Then into the afternoon you can see we have this area of rain moving into western and southern parts, some of that turning quite heavy later on in the day. Best of the limited brightness will be over the Northern Isles. Now for Tuesday we'll see some of that frontal rain lingering for the Northern Isles. Elsewhere it's a case of patchy cloud, sunny spells, a scattering of showers, a few of them on the heavy side. That's the forecast.